Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a life insurance quote with Prudential, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Prudential website. Look for the life insurance section on the home page. Click on the Get a Quote button to start the process. You will be directed to a new page for obtaining a quote. Select the type of life insurance you are interested in. Read the descriptions of each insurance option carefully. Choose between term life, whole life, or universal life insurance. Once selected, click on the Continue button to proceed. Now, you'll need to provide your personal information. Enter your full name, date of birth, and gender. Fill in your contact details, including your email and phone number. Next, input your address information as prompted. Proceed to the next section regarding your health and lifestyle. Answer questions about your medical history and any current health conditions. You may also be asked about your occupation and hobby. After that, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your details to generate the quote. Wait for the system to process your information. Your life insurance quote will be displayed on the next page. Take your time to review the coverage options and premiums offered. If you have questions, consider clicking on the chat or contact options for assistance. You can make adjustments to your coverage preferences if needed. Once satisfied, you can save or print your quote for future reference. If you wish to move forward, follow the instructions for the next steps. This guide provides a clear pathway to obtaining your life insurance quote with Prudential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.